Hi Hadu, today we are going to draw the flag of Argentina. This is a very popular team in World Cup football and the winner of this year. Okay, let's outline the flag first. Then we are going to connect these two lines. And we're putting blue color border to make these two lines. All right. We're going to draw a face in the middle. And some lines like this. All right, and put the yellow color here. You can see the colors. Let's put the blue color, the light blue color on the top portion and the bottom portion. Okay, all right, and for the bottom portion too. All right, so you can see this is the flag of Argentina, which is nicely done. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel as you like it. You can also browse through our playlist and see different categories. Lots of options and drawings out there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.